but more than anything, I think it's their innovation and foreseeing the future and preparing for the future, because many companies, even here, are showing new technology where OSHIMA's way ahead of the game.
They have a quite number of the range of the product which meet our customer expectation in Bangladesh. So we found it is quite impressive company which is origin from Taiwan. So that's why we are our local company associated with this OSHIMA.
I'm from Sri Lanka. Our association with OSHIMA goes back about more than 3 decades now. We are very happy to work with them, and they have a listening power, and if there's anything at all, they very quickly respond, and they have parts, they have engineers, and they are all out there to help the customers.
The viewing world changed. The customer began to be more modern. They expected very high level of quality. They expected very high level of responsibility also. And what we like, it goes about the business with OSHIMA. First is a loyalty. Second is a high quality and very high responsibility. We try to make the same in Europe. Together with OSHIMA,